if you have a BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, or even better, an M1, we've got good news for you. This is the custom-made ambient lighting system designed for this car. Now we are working hard on finding the best options for this model because we do get a lot of inquiries about the 1 Series, 2 Series, and as I said, the M1. We didn't want to make anything universal, as I know a lot of people are just sticking the lights around here and blah, blah, blah. We don't love this, so let me show you how this works. Now, on the speaker side, we've got the ambient lighting around here. As I said earlier, we won't get any universal lights here, so everything that you see is just faded. So we got this. Now on the door side, we've got the ambient lighting here as well as underneath, so you'll get plenty of light here. Of course, we've got the storage area, but we don't really care too much about that. This is the most important thing. So if you think you want your ambient lighting done for the 1 Series, 2 Series, or even the M1, just drop us a message. We are soon starting to get people booked in. And before I go, this is the digital clusters for the F20. Amazing system. We are working really, really hard trying to make this software OEM as possible, but as well custom, so people have reasons to buy it and install it, not just for being digital. But we've got so many surprises for you about this and about this, so drop us a message if you are ready to get your car booked in.